Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 Honda Civic Type R. So from any screen, if we go to, you see there, if we go to home, there's already map there. We're on the audio, on Bluetooth audio, but if I click map, there you go. It gives a different menu at the top, or you can go to home and then navigation, depending on which one you're in. Over here, you've got the list sign. We'll click on that. Where to? That looks like the Garmin setup to me. It looks very similar. So you can go home or address. We'll go to address. Spell town, spell postcode. Go postcode. And we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR 54E. Oh, I've done Z, it's A, big fat fingers. So that's it, PR54E8 again, even though you've typed it in once, you have to click it again. Enter a house number, we've no house number anyway, and close enough's good enough for me. So done, routes, well, if you go on there, it gives you different routes. But all we need to do now, there you go, it tells you traffic delay there, click go. And that's it, we're off. Thanks for watching.